And new this morning, there are some new tools to combat the opioid epidemic in the workplace. The National Safety Council rolling out a toolkit to help address substance abuse. We've posted a link on abcactionnews.com. It helps with safety issues and having difficult conversations. This could save jobs since experts say opioid misuse is impacting 3/4 of employers in the same way.
Your associates or employees are, your most valuable asset, and so to give them a second chance and have them be able to stay employed and come back and be productive.
New data shows employees assisted by their employer are more successful in recovery than if it had been a family member or friend.